Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Today I will be doing a YESSTYLE haul. Yes, another YESSTYLE haul. I completely adore YESSTYLE. Also, today's video is a little special because I will be throwing in a giveaway for you guys. Yeah, anyway, let's get started to see what I got on there. So the first thing is actually this bucket hat out here. It's purple and it's like raw hemmed. And it has a perfect fit on my head. I actually really like how it looks on me and stuff. Really nice for like the summer, spring era, because I think it's a nice color, you know? The next thing is this beanie right here. It's just a normal yarn beanie. It's like a fisherman's beanie kind of. It's super tiny. I like how it fits me, but I feel like it slips out of my head. I don't know if it's because it's that small or if my hair is that silky. I love the color and the texture is also pretty good. It looks like a baby hat actually. If you look at it on screen, it looks really tiny. But it's really stretchy as well. But yeah, really great quality. Totally recommend it. I will link everything down below as usual. So yeah. Moving on to the next item, which is this pair of knee-high socks. And these are cool because they have these grip thingies on here. And that means it would stay on your thighs. But I think when I tried it on like the first time when I got it, one sock was longer than the other. So I don't know how I feel about that, but I think I could just like tug it down a little bit, you know? But the thickness and everything, stretchiness, I think it's pretty good. It's pretty thick. I can't wait to actually wear these when it gets less cold, I guess. I primarily bought these for the purpose of wearing it with a skirt. So yeah. Moving on to the next item, I actually have this pair of -5 kilogram leggings from Chew. I've been dying to get one of their pants or one of the products in their -5 kilogram collection. I bought these for the reason that I was really curious about how it is and stuff, like how it works and like does it work for real? I'm impressed because it does work, but the quality I feel like is very Wore it once underneath a pair of leggings and it looked great, but the next day I saw this on the crotch. The waist area is pretty see-through, but the rest of this is really thick and like hugs your body. This was the problem that made me feel like, is this even worth it? For its price, I think it was like $18 or $20, I'm not sure. I was not quite happy about it because I literally just wore it once, but it does stay true to its saying that it does make you look skinnier or like have slimmer legs and stuff. I actually emailed YESSTYLE for this and I think they're gonna give me a replacement. That is also something to note, that if you have a defective item, you can request for a replacement if ever. That doesn't go for everything. Props to YESSTYLE's customer service because I actually really appreciate them. Moving on to my one beauty item, I actually only bought sunscreen because I was just running out of sunscreen. This one's from Shiseido. So yeah, I haven't used it. I just like have it. I get through sunscreen really fast. So yeah. Moving back to clothing, I have a tracksuit set right here. It's just like this. It's striped and it's a total zip up one. Really nice with sweatpants. I really love these pants and this jacket. It fits me perfectly, which I'm surprised of because I was expecting it to be smaller sizes, you know, since it was free size. So I was very impressed when I received this because it was exactly what it looked like. The fabric of these pants are so comfy. My last item, but not the least, is this sweater vest. It's so nice. This was actually the first item I wore because it was so pretty that I could not wear it, you know? It has the v-neck and then it has this like name thing, mason print, and it has these nice like stripes around the neck, the arms and the bottom, and it's super duper oversized and the color is beautiful. It also looks exactly like the one on the model. Mainly, I'm really happy about the items I received is because like most of the items that I chose only had like a few reviews, not many pictures, or like no reviews at all, including the tracksuit, which is why I'm really happy about the purchases that I had. That is all that I have for myself. Now it's time for you guys. Let's go. So the prizes you'll win are in this bag. Before I start showing you guys, I just want to say that these items are like for everyone. Like I chose the most general unisex items so that everybody or whoever wins this will be able to use it. I'm all for inclusivity. Anyway, let's start. First thing is this bag. It's a tote bag. It's just Henry Matisse. And it has a pocket in it. So I really like this one. This one's really cute and I wanted you guys to get it. So yeah. These two socks aren't from YESSTYLE. I just wanted to give it to you guys because I think they're really adorable. I also got you a pair of socks right here. Super duper cute. The next item is this beanie. I wanted to get you guys a beanie that is quite similar to mine. This one's yellow, obviously. As you can tell, it's a very nice mustard yellow color and it's very versatile, very useful right now for this kind of weather that we're having in the East Coast. I wanted the person who receives this to use it well, keep their heads warm. So yeah. Next items that I'm giving you guys are skincare. These are the first two items. These came along with a package as like a free gift. It's the Acne Plus Sensitive Skin Prescription Skincare. I think this was by Choi Aroke. Next item is a face mask from I'm From in their honey series, and it comes with 3 things. So yeah, I'm also giving you guys some playing cards. This also came with YESSTYLE and I knew that I won't be able to use it, but this one's so cute, like so pinky and cute. So it's waterproof if anybody likes playing cards on like their bathtub or something. Very nice to have. Finally, the last 2 items, I'm giving you the COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patch. I just wanted you guys to treat yourself to. It's very useful and very much needed for everybody. And of course, the final item, sunscreen, the same exact one that I got for myself. I wanted you guys to take care of your skin, obviously, which is why I added a lot of like skincare stuff. So the rules for this giveaway, I have it on this small post-it note. Firstly, you have to be subscribed because obviously. And then second, you have to follow me on Instagram at Gabby. It's always linked down below together with my other links. Lastly, comment on this video to tell me what is your favorite video of mine or series and what would you want to see more from my channel. Plus your Instagram username so I could check that if you're following me. So yeah, unfortunately this giveaway is only for my US friends. I'm sorry to my international friends who would like to join this giveaway. I cannot afford to buy or to pay for international shipping and customs, so I'm really sorry. But next time I will definitely include you guys. I'm all for inclusivity, right? I'm trying my best here. So the giveaway ends on February 22nd, so I could post a video on the 29th announcing who won. On that video I will DM you and let you know if you won. Also, only comment once. If you comment more than once, I will disqualify you. Good luck to everyone who's joining. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you all keep growing. Bye. Time for a smile.